Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Haider and you are watching Before Bilal. Guys, you may or may not have seen beautiful and amazing creatures around you. Well, if you visit a zoo, you will find many amazing and unbelievable animals and other creatures. But in this video, we are going to talk about some rare and newly discovered creatures which you never seen ever before. Guys, 21st century has remained one of the best for discoveries and technologies. Experts have found some creatures which were not found ever before. So without wasting our time, let's move to the countdown. Number 7. Salpamigor. Guys, Salpamigor is one of the extreme rare sea creature which is discovered recently. Mostly it is found on the surface of seawater. This sea creature is very much transparent in its appearance. Even you can see inside it and behind it easily. You can see only things inside it which Salpa tags it. With a huge transparency, it's also strong and flexible. This extreme unique creature is mostly found at the coast of New Zealand. This unique Salpamigor only grows its body for 10 inches. It's found recently and researchers are busy in research on it. By the way, only few people in the world have yet seen this in real life. Guys, butterfly is considered as one of the most beautiful and attractive insect all over the world. Every person likes butterfly, even its favorite of kids. You might have seen colorful butterflies around you, but have you ever seen such type of transparent butterfly? I hope you don't. This very much pretty creature is found at the gardens and forests of Central and South America. Due to unfair natural seasons, this tiny living creature with its strong wings covers a huge distance and reach at Texas. Wings of this unique Creta are completely transparent like a glass. And very interesting fact is that you can catch it easily when she is taking something on floor. This is really unbelievable. Number 5. Sea angels. Guys, the most beautiful sea creature which you are looking is named as sea angel. This unique and tiny creature is addict of living inside cool water. It is mostly found at the bottom of Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Sea angels are very tiny inside. In order to see this unique creature, experts use searchlights which made them visible. Now you can perceive how tiny are these sea angels. There is something like golden light inside them which help these angels in visibility. This is really rare and very much thoughtful. Number 4. Glass catfish. Guys, this ultra beautiful fish creature is found in Southeast Asia. This unique type of fish is only found in transparent water. These unusual fishes pertain a complete transparent body of 6 inches. These glass fish are looking like an of their body fish, even transparent, and you can see inside it. Well, you can see inside it and also behind it. Leaving their head, all of their body is even more transparent than glass. It's really extreme level of creativity. Number 3. Glass frog. Guys, you must see frogs around you. Maybe they are having different colors and beauty. But did you ever seen a transparent frog? I hope you don't, and believe me, I also don't have seen such a transparent frog ever in my life. Well guys, the frog which you are looking on your screen is named as glass frog. In the first look, this glass frog is just looking as it's made of green glass, and you can see all the organs when you come closer to it. This unique type of frog is found at Central American forests. Glass frogs have woody nature and most of time they spend inside holes of trees. It's really amazing creature. Number 2. Ghost shrimp. Guys, it has been listened that shrimp is the sea creature, but the sad news is that it fulfills the food need of other sea creatures such as sharks. Shrimp is also caught by fishermen due to its lovely taste and demand of people. But guys, you will be amazed to listen that recently a type of shrimp is discovered which is completely transparent, and its name is named as ghost shrimp. This unique creature is also found in seawater and its tiny inside maybe 1 to 2 inch. An amazing fact about this ghost shrimp is that its head is also completely transparent with a yellow color shield inside it and in its head. This yellow shield helps you to see it. Well, it is totally mastery of creation. Number 1. Goldberg. Guys, the unusual insect which you are looking is not 100% transparent, but this ultra beautiful insect have multiple amazing qualities. This unique Goldberg has a transparent layer over his body. This invisible and transparent layer has a quite fine purpose. Actually, its invisible layer works like an emergency alarm. When other insects or harmful animals come near to Goldberg, it simply shelter over his layer and protect himself. While layer of this unique Goldberg is very strong, you won't believe that this unusual insect change its color when you touch it. It will turn into reddish brown. Indeed, it is one of the most rare creature of Creator.